In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell beats on Wix, providing a complete guide to setting up and managing your online store effectively. Let's start by navigating to Wix's official website at www.wix.com. Once there, you'll need to log in using your account credentials. If you're not yet a member of the Wix community, you'll have to set up an account. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on your Wix dashboard, the main hub where you manage all aspects of your website. Next, locate the option to edit your site. This is crucial because this is where you'll be making all the necessary changes to accommodate your beats for sale. Choose the website that you plan to use for selling your products and click on Edit Site. Now, for those planning on selling physical products as well, ensure that the Wix Stores app is installed. This is a required step for handling physical goods, but for our purposes today, we're going to focus on digital products, specifically beats. Moving on, head to the Store Pages section in your Wix site editor. Here, you'll gain access to pages like your product listings and more. Once you're in Store Pages, navigate to the Product page. This is where you'll manage the products you plan to sell. Now let's click on Manage Products. Within this section, you'll notice an option labeled Dashboard. From here, follow through to Store Products and select plus New Product. Since we're selling digital goods, be sure to select digital product, not physical. Now comes the fun part, entering your product details. You'll start by naming your product. Be descriptive with titles like Hip Hop Beat #001 to catch the attention of potential buyers. Fill in your product descriptions thoroughly. Include the genre, BPM, key, license type, and any specific usage terms. To intrigue your audience further, upload visually appealing preview images or waveform visuals that accompany your beat. A picture truly is worth 1,000 words, especially when selling a digital product. Now it's time to upload your beat file. Ensure it's in a widely acceptable format like MP3 or WAV. Optionally, consider providing a preview snippet that allows customers to listen before purchasing. Make sure to set up automatic delivery so buyers immediately receive their product after payment. Price your beat thoughtfully. Offer various license options if applicable. For instance, you might have a lease license at a lower price for limited use, or an exclusive license at a higher price that grants full rights. Always be clear in your descriptions regarding what each license allows. Next up is configuring your payment methods by going to the dashboard and then to the settings menu. You can select accept payment. Integrate your store with payment gateways like PayPal, Stripe, or standard credit and debit card options to streamline the checkout process. Ready to launch. Publish your beats by making them visible on your store page and tailor your page's buttons, layout, and styling to reflect your brand's identity. Don't forget to preview it to ensure it looks professional and user-friendly. Finally, promoting your beats is crucial. Use social media, YouTube, or TikTok to get the word out. Strategic use of SEO-friendly descriptions and the right hashtags can improve visibility. Consider offering discounts or bundles, which can attract more buyers. And some final tips for making the most out of your Wix store. Provide high-quality previews and clear licensing terms. Protect your beats with watermarks and offer excellent customer support. Keep your store content fresh by regularly adding new beats. Lastly, utilize Wix Analytics to track your sales and enhance your marketing strategies. Happy selling!